I got a brilliant idea. And then we put the Tabasco and mix it with the water.
Wow, iced coffee.
Guys, mga ka-Team Gina, good morning. We're having our breakfast here in Shangri-La, the
Team
park.
Gina lang, walang
At Team Kilian, our new member of Team Gina. Si Aga kasi, sininong niya, nasa kwarto pa, pababa pa lang. We asked the waiter to give a cup. Lalagyan namin ng ice to, para kunyari coffee. Tapos ipapasok namin to. Siyempre, okay dyan ikaw. Pero kailangan yung ice, makatayo siya na hindi gumagalaw. Tapos, papaberan natin. Ayan. Konting ice lang. Little ice lang. Ito
parang ang dami.
Okay, patayuin natin. Dali natin. Let's go, Kilian. Baka doon bumaba na si Nino. Tingnan mo iba. Dali natin kasi baka bumaba na si Nino. Yan, very good.
Tamad siya eh.
Yan guys, ginagawa ni Kilian ah. Makikita niya yan.
Parang pangit. So now I got a brilliant idea. And
Hindi niya
Daddy
marinig.
Alvin. We put water and then we put the Tabasco and mix it with the water.
So, you get the Tabasco. Oh, okay, show it to them. Konti lang, para puro yung hangang niya. Let's try.
Okay.
Ah! Yeah, sobrang takang. Finished product na yan. 1 bottle of Tabasco. Then wait natin si Ninong na lang to come down. Ay, no, not pepper. Okay? Oh, sabi mo na.
Tagal niya eh. As you know, sleeping at 6 a.m., waking up at 8. Where is he?
Matutunaw na yung ice natin. Ayun na si Ninong.
Hi, Nino.
We played ML.
Yeah, sure.
Pwede ito, mami.
Dito lang. Ayan. Buha ka na ng food mo.
I bought something for you. Ice coffee.
Iced coffee. This morning, iced coffee. I don't drink coffee.
Ano here?
Ano na, bigay niyo kailan, hindi mo
Oo, nalang
pa
drink.
niya yan.
Thank you, Kilian. I love you. Good morning. Wow, iced coffee. Okay, cheers. Sorry.
Hindi masarap.
Sorry. What is this? I just woke up, Kilian.
I don't like it.
Really,
Why you keep looking at-
ka pa.
Why is
That
she
took me
videoing?
so long to finish.
This is not coffee. Baliw ka ba? Look at the color, oh.
I'm sorry. Watermelon juice yan.
Watermelon juice. So spicy and asin. Sour. I think this is...
Show it the bottle, Kilian.
There. That's watermelon juice, right?
It's a prank.
Inubos niyo lahat?
Yes.
No.
How many did you put?
Move on.
The whole...
Oh, I thought it was watermelon juice.
That's why you have video.
I thought it was watermelon juice.
Who put you up to this, mama, no?
You.
Kaya pala nagbibideo, ha? Ha? Magkakampi pa kayo, ha? I thought you're Team Aga. Ay, sakit pa yun. Sana man lang pinakain niyo muna ako.
That wasn't even a full Tabasco.
So you try. Oh, iced coffee, come on.
Manghang ba?
Hindi.
Sobrang manghang.
Sarap.
Melt na yung
Masarap! Mabawi ako sa inyong dalawa.